Assembling the Arozzi Mugello is easy. This guide is divided into 4 parts to help you along. Let's start with step number 1, the wheelbase. Let's attach the wheels to the wheelbase itself. Flip the wheelbase upside down and push the wheels in one by one. The best way to do this is to grab them by the flat base of the wheel, since that won't rotate when you push them in. Now flip the wheelbase over and insert the gas lift into the center hole. This plastic piece goes over the gas lift to make it just a little prettier. The next step is to attach the metal bracket to the backrest. Open the small flap on the back of the backrest to reveal the screw holes, and make sure the bracket follows the edge of the chair. Use the 4 rounded screws with 4 washers to attach the brackets. Next, take the backrest and line it with the seats. Use the 3 hexagonal screws with included washers and attach them in the upper 3 holes. This will allow you to make sure the backrest is completely straight. Screw the screws in, but make sure everything is aligned before tightening them. Step 3 is all about the armrests. Use the 4 long screws to attach these. And finish the job by attaching the small plastic covers to cover up the screw holes. The last step is to attach the wheelbase to the rest of the chair. I suggest you do it by folding the footrest and laying the chair down. And then attaching the wheelbase. All you have to do now is to attach the headrest pillow using the strap. Now let me show you a special feature of this chair, the footrests. This is super comfortable, but when you want to get serious, it's really easy to put away. Just fold it and push it in, and you're ready. That's it for the assembly. If you need further assistance, you can go to our website and contact us. You can also find more information about the features of your chair, assembly guides and maintenance videos here on our YouTube channel. Now enjoy your new gaming chair.